In today's video, I'm going to teach you funnel automations overview. We'll walk through step by step how to create a simple automation in Funnelish, starting from your dashboard and ending with an active email automation that runs on its own. First, log in and head to your Funnelish dashboard. This is your main control center where you can see all of your funnels and tools. Once you're there, look for the automations option in the main navigation and click on it. This is where all your current automations live and where you'll be building new ones. On the automations page, click on Create a New Automation. Funnelish will show you a few options for how to start. For this walkthrough, choose Basic. This keeps things straightforward and is perfect while you're getting used to the system. Next, select Start from Scratch to create a completely empty automation sequence. This means you're not using a template. You're building the logic exactly how you want it. Once you've selected that, click on Create to open up the automation editor. At the top, click on the automation name field and type in a clear, descriptive name for your automation. For example, something like Post-Purchase Thank You Email. A good name will make it easier to recognize later when you have several automations running. When you're done naming it, click the tick icon to save the name. Now it's time to define what will trigger this automation. Click on New Trigger. You'll see a list of possible triggers. For this tutorial, choose On Purchase, which means the automation will start whenever a customer completes a purchase. You can now refine this trigger. Decide whether it should run only once per customer by using the toggle. Turning this on is useful if you don't want the same person to receive the same sequence multiple times. Then, use the Trigger on Funnels drop-down to choose which funnel or funnels this automation should apply to. When you're happy with those settings, click on Create to save the trigger. Beneath your new trigger, click the plus icon to add an action. You'll see different action types you can use. For this example, choose an email action to automatically send an email after the purchase. After selecting it, click Continue. You'll now set up the email itself. Fill in the sender name, the sender email, the subject line, and your email content. Try to keep your subject clear and your message aligned with the action that triggered it. For example, a thank you message, order confirmation, or onboarding instructions. When everything looks good, click Continue to save the action. Finally, look for the toggle that currently says Inactive and click it to turn the automation on. Once you switch it, the status changes to active, which means your trigger and email action will now run automatically whenever the conditions are met. You can always come back and edit this automation. And from the main automations page, you can create additional automations to handle other parts of your funnel.